How far should you put your cutting tip from the material whenever you're gonna make a cut? Too close to the material, sometimes your tip will get dirty. If you're too far away, you won't have a good cut. You kind of have to find the sweet spot in between. But I will say this, sometimes you're gonna be extremely close and it'll still cut, and sometimes you're gonna be really far away and it will still cut. But whenever you're cutting and you're looking for information on the internet, there's gonna be a bunch of experts telling you how you should not be doing it. But I'm going to teach you how I do it. Now, how I do it is not learning from school, from a book, it's not learning off of anything, theory, welding, whatever. I learned it from just watching, other people and doing it on metal. Is it the best way? In my opinion, if you get it cut and the job gets done, that is all that you need to do. Now, can you improve? Obviously you can, but when you're starting out, don't pay too much attention to all these experts. And if somebody is an expert and knows everything, make videos so I can learn and everybody else on here can learn as well. Now, if you put your tip really, really close, sometimes it'll turn off, but it will still cut. Your tip's gonna get dirty, you're gonna have to clean it, but you can still make your cut. Other guys go maybe about half an inch or so above it, and they just drag it. That does keep your tip a little bit cleaner. What I like to do is I like to normally put the blue flames that you'll see right now when I turn it on is right below it, and I cut, which is a little bit closer. And what I was telling you is I usually go right there, right at the tip of that blue flame, and I'll start cutting away. So now, what happens if you put it really close? If you put it really close, well, for one, you're gonna get criticized on the internet, but as you can see, it'll still cut. If you're starting out, focus on the basics, and as you're doing it, watch and observe. If somebody's willing to help you, the more power to you, learn from them. But if somebody criticizes you and it's not really helping you, then you need to put that to the side and just continue learning by yourself and improving every day. I want you to understand that you don't have to be super welder to be out in the field. Don't let social media fool you. Don't let all these comments on social media make you believe that you can't make it out in the field, because even an average welder is gonna get paid the same amount of money as those guys posting a lot of stuff on Instagram. All you have to do is meet code and get the job done. But more than anything, if you have a stronger work ethic, that'll take you far.